Hi, M5636. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jenny Ibalanlado. I am 35 years old from Lucena City, Quezon Province. I have a live-in partner and blessed with two boys. One is 12 years old and the other one is 14 years old. I am Roman Catholic and I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Arts major in psychology.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Dubai, tell me about your experience as a helper.
On my first employer in Dubai, I am taking care of two kids. One is 5 years old and the other one is 7 years old. Same boys. I am responsible for all the things they are needed. I come with them in the school, and after the school I am teaching them about school activities, homeworks, and assignment. I am also cleaning the house. Sometimes I help the other co-workers in cooking and cleaning and marketing also sometimes.
Okay, and you have another experience also in the same country in Dubai, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your second employer, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Sir, yes. My second employer, I am a shadow teacher of a 12 years old autistic boy. I
Okay.
am the one who is responsible and everything is doing since in the morning until going to school. I am with him, even inside the room, and I am the one who's with him in the house, feeding him, and every time he go, even in the bathroom, I am the one responsible for everything he needs and what he's doing.
Okay, because this child is autistic, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to care most of the time this child. Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, sir, I will wash my hand. I will make sure that it's clean, and then I will wash the bottle. I will sterilize it, and then I will put the exact amount of the milk, the warm water, and I will check. I will shake it. I will check the temperature, and then I will give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check, sir, the temperature first. I will check the diaper, and maybe the baby is hungry also.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, the temperature, and also you feed the baby, everything that you have done to make the baby stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer, sir. I will inform her that the baby doesn't stop crying, so she will know that what should I do.
Okay, that you will ask them what should you do.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Actually, sir, Hong Kong is offering a high salary, and also I know that Hong Kong is the safest country in Asia.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until I finish my contract, sir, and if my employer wants me to extend my contract, it's my pleasure, sir.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside? What will you do?
First, sir, I will call my employer. I will inform her if she is expecting a visitor, and if she tell me that she don't have anyone, I will not allow and I will not entertain the man outside.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Sir, I can watch in the YouTube, sir, and I can also buy some book recipes. As long as I know that I can learn from that, I will try it, sir.
Okay, and also if you have a time and also your employer have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn. And also ask them how to prepare Chinese food if they could teach you how to prepare. And if they could teach you, it's your pleasure to learn with them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs so that the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
No problem, sir.
Okay. How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes,
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
yes, sir.
How about if there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, um, I to
Okay?
my future employer, I hope you will consider my application because I am a hardworking person, I am trustworthy, and I am willing to learn everything you want.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Jenny. Thank you.
Thank you.